The air in Manila crackles with anticipation as the city awakens to a future shaped by bold decisions and renewed hope. Across the nation, headlines announce a bold move. The Philippine government has officially approved the construction of 5 state-of-the-art 97-meter multi-role response vessels, a decision that is making waves both locally and internationally. These ships are the largest and most advanced in the Philippine Coast Guard's history, a clear signal that the nation is serious about protecting its waters, its people, and its future prosperity. For years, the PCG operated with limited resources and aging equipment, facing daunting challenges at sea, from illegal fishing to natural disasters, often risking their lives with outdated tools. Now, a new era is dawning, bringing with it the promise of transformation and renewed strength. These vessels will become the new flagships, designed to operate farther, stay at sea longer, and respond to a wider range of missions, from search and rescue to maritime law enforcement and environmental protection. From the windswept shores of Batanes to the deep blue waters of the Sulu Sea, their presence will be a constant symbol of national resolve and vigilance. The acquisition is a cornerstone of the armed forces of the Philippines' modernization program, underscoring a strategic shift toward maritime security and regional stability. The West Philippine Sea's challenges have highlighted the urgent need for a more capable Coast Guard, as territorial disputes and resource protection become ever more critical. These ships are the answer. Tools of enforcement, instruments of sovereignty, and a visible deterrent to those who would threaten Philippine waters. Among PCG personnel, optimism and pride run high as they prepare to take command of these new vessels and embrace their expanded responsibilities. This means better tools, enhanced safety, and a greater capacity to save lives during typhoons, maritime accidents, and humanitarian missions, making a real difference for communities in need. The approval of these vessels is a testament to their dedication and a promise of a stronger, more resilient future for the entire nation. As the nation looks to the horizon, it sees not just the sea, but the silhouettes of new guardians standing watch, ready to defend and serve. These ships will ensure a safer and more secure tomorrow for all Filipinos, inspiring pride and hope in every community from the coastlines to the cities. The PCG's transformation is underway, and the world is watching as the Philippines steps confidently onto the global maritime stage. The message is clear: the Philippines is ready to defend its maritime domain, protect its resources, and uphold its sovereignty. The era of compromise is over. A new standard of vigilance and preparedness has arrived. A new chapter in maritime sovereignty has begun, and with it, a renewed sense of national pride and purpose. The Philippine Coast Guard's modernization is a deliberate, multi-phase journey born out of necessity, shaped by the evolving demands of maritime security and national development. As an archipelago with one of the world's longest coastlines, the Philippines faces immense maritime challenges, from illegal fishing and piracy to search and rescue, disaster response, and environmental protection. The goal is clear: to build a credible, reliable Coast Guard capable of protecting national interests and ensuring maritime safety across a sprawling, complex maritime domain. The journey began with smaller patrol boats, which laid the foundation for a more agile and responsive force. Then came the 10 44-meter Parola-class MRRVs, expanding the fleet's reach and operational capacity. And later, 2 84-meter offshore patrol vessels, marking a significant step forward in offshore capability. Each step built capacity and experience, allowing the PCG to take on more complex missions and responsibilities. The new 97-meter MRRVs are the most ambitious leap yet, shifting the PCG from coastal defense to a robust offshore presence and signaling a new era for Philippine maritime security. These ships fill a critical gap, able to conduct extended patrols and maintain a persistent presence in remote and contested areas, safeguarding vital sea lanes and resources. They are floating command centers equipped for complex, multi-day operations far from shore, with advanced technology for navigation, surveillance, and communication. Modernization is more than hardware. It's comprehensive training, new protocols, and advanced systems that ensure every crew member is prepared for any scenario. The PCG is investing in its people to maximize these assets, fostering a culture of excellence and adaptability. This holistic approach is transforming the PCG into a more professional, capable, and confident force, ready to meet the nation's needs. The modernization wave is about readiness for the evolving challenges of the 21st century, ensuring the PCG can respond swiftly and effectively. The Filipino people can count on a Coast Guard ready to serve with greater effectiveness, dedication, and resilience than ever before. The modernization of the Philippine Coast Guard, or PCG, is deeply intertwined with a history of collaboration and mutual support. At the heart of this progress lies its enduring partnership with Japan, a relationship that has grown stronger over the years. Funding for the new 97-meter multi-role response vessels, or MRRVs, comes from a significant loan agreement with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, a symbol of Japan's unwavering commitment to regional peace, maritime safety, and long-term stability. Previous acquisitions, including the Parola class and other offshore patrol vessels, were also made possible through Japanese cooperation, highlighting a consistent pattern of support. This partnership extends well beyond just financing. It includes vital technical assistance, hands-on crew training, and the sharing of best practices in maritime operations and safety protocols. Japanese experts have worked closely with their Filipino counterparts, ensuring the PCG can effectively operate, maintain, and maximize the capabilities of these advanced vessels. Both nations depend on secure sea lanes for trade and prosperity, and a stronger PCG directly contributes to regional stability and mutual economic growth. This legacy of cooperation stands as a model for how international partnerships can yield tangible security benefits and foster trust between nations. Together, the Philippines and Japan are building a safer, more secure maritime future for the entire region, setting an inspiring example for others to follow. The construction of these 5 vessels is a meticulous process led by Mitsubishi Shipbuilding in Japan. After the contract signing in early 2023, engineers from both countries finalized designs to meet PCG's operational needs. Construction began with ceremonial steel cutting, followed by assembly of the hull and installation of critical systems. The first vessel is already taking shape at the Shimonoseki shipyard. Outfitting includes the superstructure, engines, advanced navigation, and communication systems. Specialized equipment like the helicopter deck and RHIB davits are installed. The first ship is slated for delivery in 2027, with the rest arriving by 2028. Each vessel will undergo rigorous sea trials before commissioning. This timeline is a testament to modern engineering and international cooperation. Soon, these new guardians will patrol Philippine seas. The 97-meter MRRVs are a monumental leap for the PCG. Their size brings enhanced stability and endurance, allowing operations in rough seas and extended patrols across the EEZ. State-of-the-art technology, integrated bridge systems, advanced radar, and secure communications gives crews superior situational awareness. Networked with allied forces, these ships are force multipliers for coordinated maritime operations. With a range of over 4,000 nautical miles, they can maintain a persistent presence in remote areas. A helicopter deck, hangar, and high-speed RHIBs add versatility for surveillance, rescue, and interdiction. The 97-meter class is a true game-changer for the PCG. The multi-role designation is more than a name, it's a mission. These ships are guardians of sovereignty, patrolling against illegal fishing, smuggling, and piracy. They're also critical for disaster response, carrying relief goods, medical supplies, and serving as command centers during crises. Their endurance and advanced systems enable prolonged search and rescue operations, even in the harshest conditions. The embarked helicopter and RHIBs allow rapid response to emergencies. Environmental protection is another key role, responding to oil spills and enforcing marine laws. By patrolling protected areas, they help preserve biodiversity for future generations. The 97-meter MRRVs are the Swiss Army knives of the PCG, versatile, reliable, and ready for any mission. They embody the Coast Guard's commitment to serve and protect. These ships are built for every challenge the Philippine seas can offer. Nowhere is the value of these vessels clearer than in the West Philippine Sea. Their size and endurance allow the PCG to maintain a credible, sustained presence in contested waters. Coast Guard vessels assert sovereignty without escalating conflict, providing a visible, non-aggressive deterrent. They protect Filipino fishermen, offering security and support in traditional fishing grounds. The MRRVs can monitor foreign activity, document illegal actions, and assist boats in distress. Their deployment promotes a rules-based order and regional stability. Advanced surveillance enables better maritime domain awareness and information sharing with partners. These ships are floating symbols of the Philippines' commitment to peace and sovereignty. The acquisition of the 97-meter MRRVs highlights the power of international partnerships. Born from the Philippines-Japan alliance, this project strengthens the regional security network. The vessel's modern systems enable seamless joint exercises with partners like the US, Australia, and ASEAN neighbors. A stronger PCG benefits the entire region, ensuring safer shipping lanes and deterring illicit activities. National resilience and international cooperation go hand in hand. By investing in its own capabilities, the Philippines becomes a more reliable partner. These ships are regional assets, contributing to a peaceful and prosperous maritime domain. They symbolize a modern Philippines, ready to work with allies for a secure future. As the first 97-meter vessel joins the fleet, the Philippines enters a new era of maritime security. For the PCG, these ships mean pride, capability, and safety, modern tools for modern challenges. Coastal communities gain protection and support, while fishermen and islanders benefit from a stronger guardian at sea. The maritime industry enjoys safer, more secure sea lanes. Internationally, the new MRRVs elevate the Philippines' standing as a responsible maritime nation. They are a testament to strategic foresight, partnership, and national pride. These new guardians will help forge a safer, more resilient Philippines. The nation is ready to face the future, confident, secure, and united.